How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to reset an oil light on a 2023 Ford Bronco. Of course, we're going to get the ignition on. We're going to be navigating with the keys right here. You'll be getting a warning right there, oil change required. Of course, you're going to navigate with this, press OK, get off the screen. So you're going to be pressing back depending on where you're at to get to the main menu. You see that on top, then you'll scroll down. There we go. We're gonna go press the settings, press OK, and then you get to oil life. You're gonna press OK. Once you get onto that screen, it'll show you the percentage that's remaining, and you're gonna press and hold OK. This customer actually didn't do the oil change. I'm just showing you as an example, and I don't want to reset their light when oil change wasn't done. And then you'll of course navigate back, especially if you're running in for a customer. Make sure you bring it back to the screen that they had it, and you'll be good to go. Hope this helped. Have a good one.